Momo's Ball.
Oh God, oh God, किचड़ किचड़ आ हम सबको बचा ले गॉड, तो सिला दूंगा तुझे सूट सफारी।
ओम गण गणपतये नमः। ओम गण गणपतये नमः। ओम गण गणपतये नमः। ओम साई राम हरे हरे कृष्णा। ओम गण गणपतये नमः। ओम गण गणपतये नमः।
मोना, इंडिया के लीडर को कनेक्ट करो विद कोरोना।
Okay, boss.
Hi Ridley, how are you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dear mouse. Happy birthday to you. Ridley, I'm calling you a mouse, but you aren't one because full day you roam around like a tiger in the house, screaming away and roaring away. All the best. We all love you a lot, and you mean the world to all of us. Love you, Ridley. Bye.
Hi Ritu, happy birthday to you. You are one of the best gifts that I have received. I'm so happy to have you. Wishing you very, very best. Have a wonderful day.
Happy 7th Ritu. Wishing you the best and happiness always. The word Ridan means the big heart. I always hope you care for and share with others always. God bless you. And I hope I can be the best dad in the world. Love you.
Though words cannot describe what you are to me, how much you mean to me. You are my biggest blessing in life. I love you more than anything, anyone. And I hope that all your dreams come true, that you're always blessed, Baba's always with you. And just know that everyone loves you very much. And just continue to be the most loving and affectionate child that you are. Love you very much.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ridley, at your angel, the love of our life.
Sweetheart, God bless you always with tons and tons of happiness. Stay bubbly chubbly always.
Happy birthday to the sweetest, yet annoying, most kind-hearted and loving brother. You'll always remain my mouse. Love you lots. Have an amazing day.
Ritu. A very, very happy wala birthday to you. You're such a lovable boy. Our house becomes very lively when you come home. Love you very much. God bless you. May all your desires come true.
Happy birthday, Redan, to this lovely little boy who gives the warmest of hugs. Have a great year. We love you lots.
Happy birthday, Ridan. You're one of the most loving child I have ever met. And please stay blessed. Love you lots and tight hug to you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Redan.
Hi Ridley, happy birthday. You're the cutest, most sweet and fun baby brother I have. And you're so big now. OMG, I can't wait to meet you. And I hope you have an amazing year. Love you.
Hi Ridan, happy birthday to you. You are our little hero, our little Sai Baba, our cutest younger member of the Dream Trip group. And we laugh at your jokes and you are always making all of us think more. And I think we all by the end of it will be your big followers. The day you have your Instagram page, you will have the maximum followers. I am sure about that. So a very happy birthday to a very special little boy, and you've become the big boy with that big bed of yours, the new bunk bed in your room. So enjoy your party with all your lovely didis and your cousins, and we will celebrate together soon. Love you, Mona Masi.
Happy birthday, Ritu. Hi, Ritu. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you keep being the funny lover you are. Have a great day.
Hi Gattu, Meri Gundi. Wish you a very very happy birthday, beta. Tapi Chachu loves you a lot. You mean the whole world to me. You are very important to me. Have a great birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ridan. Wish you the very best, beta. Have a fantastic year. All the best.
Cheers karo.
Cheers.
Hi Ridan, wish you a very happy birthday from all of us and your favorite Noah.
Happy birthday to my little partner in the Ganpati Bappa festival. Happy birthday to the little boy who is so cute.
Full of life.
He puts a smile on everybody's face.
When
and
he's here in BB.
the place is full, and when he goes away from here, it all becomes sad. So
We love you so much, Ridan.
Keep coming to BB and keep making all of us happy and proud of you. God bless. Happy
Love you,
birthday.
Ridan.
Happy birthday, Ridu. Although we fight a lot, you have a very special place in my heart. I hope that when we grow up, we share the same bond as our parents have today. Love you a lot. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Ridan. Wishing you a very happy 7th birthday. Have a great day.
काला सफेद सब गुम करती है।
That nobody say one or something. Divya, it's my game. Oh no! Bas?
बस बस
Yay, come on.
Divya.